Hi, all the viewers of Film Beat. Once again, Abu Malik for you. I'm happy to be back. मतलब थोड़ी वैल्यू अभी भी है. लोग देखना चाहते हैं मुझे. Sushant Singh Rajput, I knew him a little bit. I spoke to him. I had known both of them together. We had done some shows together, and the hurt that I felt on his passing away was unbelievable. For many days, I couldn't take it out of my mind because he had everything going for him. He had a great future, very handsome looking boy, great projects lined up, great actor. People respected him a lot, and there was no any kind of competition was no competition for him. But somewhere he was in that groove where he could have got good work. Somewhere, somehow he didn't know it, or people around him he did not know. It seemed many of his projects did not take off. That hurt him very badly. And one of this project went on TV, from which a lot of issues have been called film called Drive. So all these things hit him very badly, and which should not have, because वो जिस जहाँ से आया था, एक यंग लड़का बच्चा, उसके लिए ये सब नेमतें खुल गई हैं, तो दैट इज मोर देन इनफ फॉर इट्स लाइक हैप्पीनेस. ही हर्ट मी, and I think he hurt a huge amount of people because everything was perfect for him. And if he was not well and if he was being treated, I hope somebody was there. Why did he feel that there is nobody to help him? If he had reached out, there were so many people out there to wanting to help him. Maybe people closed doors, maybe I don't know, but it was a very hurting incident. See, there is a power play in every field, I would say, in every field where people can dictate terms to their juniors, or people can dictate terms to even to their seniors if they are in a position of power. So, in the field of art, it is like opportunity. Who gets that opportunity to do what? Now, he's a singer, he's a singer, he's a singer. The song has to be good. If the song composition is good, if he sings it, or he sings it, the song will still be good, because they are all singers. And then if a good actor is presenting it on screen, it becomes a big thing. And if a good record company will pick it up because a big actor is singing, the record company pick it up because it got mass viewership. So everything is in sync with each other. So what so the guy who's got to sing the song fights to get that song, because and then there are many people who are there to fighting for the same thing. So at that stage, the record company becomes the king. It will decide कि इसको देना है, phone करके बोल दे इसको नहीं लेना. One fine day, you can see that Sonu Nigam doesn't have any more songs to sing because so and so does not want him to sing. It could be an ex-record company, it could be any. They want some new voices. They want some new things. They decide about a person's thing. So if that is nepotism, then that is called, it's not nepotism, that is more like control as such. And the film industry nepotism means a child will follow the steps of his father or his mother, etc., etc. That happens in the field of legal affairs, in doctors, etc. Children who follow what their parents are doing, and the parents insist that the children come in the same field of what they say. Same happens in the film industry. So nepotism to that level is there, but if you look at very successful actors, they all came from outside.
Exactly, even Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah. So all the successful ones are all from outside. So actually can't play the play. All these boys are from outside. Shah Rukh is outside. Sushant Singh Rajput is outside. That boy who is very successful. Ayushmann Khurrana is from outside, and you name it, everybody is from outside. So what are you talking about? The film kids, nobody is successful that way. They were not. They were just overtaken by them. Shah Rukh, Amir is there from film, Salman is there from film. They have existed quite. They were great actors, and they existed more because of the kind of work they are doing. बहुत अच्छे performers थे. They were very, very good performers. The others who are not doing too well. I did face nepotism. I didn't realize it was nepotism at that time. It was not nepotism. It was basically people who are in power are trying to show that we can get you out of the business. It was a time when I was doing shows. I was doing a lot of shows with a lot of actors and actors. And what these people did, they formed a group and took all the male actors away. All the male, but I had created show business in this country, so I knew what to do. Another man would have succumbed. तो उन्होंने सब बैला, तो मुझे आके I will not name any of them. आके मुझे बोलते थे, अब तू क्या करेगा? अब तो तेरा सब कुछ है, सब actors हमारे पास signed है, तेरा तो कुछ नहीं होगा. So I looked at him like that, and that is the time I really made money. I gathered all the heroines together who were not in that group, not in that place, and one was Ravina Tandon, and I took Ravina Tandon, combined her with a new singer called Daler Mehdi, and went and did 100 shows in the world. Why do you forget that? It's later on the love came when he passed away. Everybody came on the streets. He went like a king. because they loved him. But nobody was there for him. Because nobody wanted to talk to him only. The film industry was not there. The fans remembered him. Pictures were running. He was not getting anything. He was a rich man, no problem. But alone. अकेले बैठे हो कार के ऑफिस में. Nobody would look at him.
So do you think it won't exist like ever from Bollywood?
What?
Nepotism and this thing.
Why would it exist? This is everywhere. It's played its game everywhere. It's called not nepotism, it is opportunism.
Give any message you would like to give to your fans on when can we see you next? What are things coming?
I'm making music, as you say, and then music is a difficult thing to release. I've realized that in the last 3 years. I've been doing it for the last three and a half years. I made a name for myself recently because of Bigg Boss, so people know me a little bit. So let's see, there are some companies that are coming and asking, there are some other companies that are looking into stuff like that. But I've got so much material, that is very important, not to waste your time. I'm not wasting my time in creativity. I'm composing, writing, singing. I've got good writers working with me, and I'm programming my own music, and that's it, getting it ready, and someday you'll get to see more and more of it. If not, I'm still happy. It doesn't bother me as such. And to everybody out there, just go, keep on doing your thing. If someday opportunity knocks, accept it. If it doesn't come, don't worry about it too much. But keep on earning a living. That is very important in life. You must have a source of alternate work that you're doing. You should have a source of profession that you can earn a living in, and keep on pursuing art also. Why not? What is wrong in it?
Alright, thank you so much, Abuji.
Thank you. Thank you.